Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Google Opinion Rewards and signing in with the Google account you actively use. Make sure your account details, age, country, are accurate because the app matches surveys to your profile. Enable notifications and location permission so surveys arrive when relevant. Without them, you will miss high-value opportunities. Once done, open the app and complete the brief onboarding prompts. This primes the algorithm to deliver surveys that actually credit your account quickly. You now focus on raising how often you receive surveys. Enable location history and allow background location so the service recognizes visits to stores and events. This yields more targeted questionnaires. Answer every survey completely and honestly because the system weights reliable respondents higher, increasing your match rate. Make it a habit to check the app twice daily. Some short surveys appear and expire fast. Finally, link payment method or play balance so credits convert to usable funds without delays. Finish by redeeming accumulated credits to your Google Play balance or linked payments as allowed in your region. Unused credits can lapse or remain unusable. Make sure your account region matches payout options and confirm email and payment info are current so funds land where expected. If credits fail to appear, force close and refresh the app, clear cache, and sign out then back in. These steps often sync pending rewards. If problems persist, take screenshots and contact Google support with timestamps to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.